been working on a horse with some abscess on their hoof. Let's check it out.
The bottom's not the problem.
Finishing off the shoeing before applying the iodine solution. Look at that hole.
I get it.
Don't worry, this is all iodine, not blood. Time to wrap her up.
Oh, hang on that duct tape. Like a booger.
Seal her up. We will check back on her in a later video. How can I clean formula applications after a muddy day out in the field? Simply wash them like bare feet. Formula applications are easy to clean and protect your horse's feet from bacteria, rocks, and other objects which can injure the hoof. It's much harder to clean these regular horseshoes or protect the hoofs with them. Follow us for more. Cleaning of the day number 16.
Junk.